Welcome to Fly Over the Map. Today, we find ourselves in the USA. Today's location we find in Aurora. We are flying over the Great Plains Park today. Welcome to Aurora, Colorado, where we're flying over Great Plains Park today. Spanning 54.5 acres at 20100 East Jewell Avenue, this park is a family favorite, open daily from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. With walking trails connecting to the Power Line and Conservatory West Trails, it's a haven for hikers and bikers. The playground offers fun for all ages, while the 2024 splash pad upgrade, with new water features, keeps kids cool all summer. Sports fields host softball and soccer, and the half-court basketball area draws local players. Picnic shelters and fitness stations add to the appeal, with shaded spots perfect for family gatherings. Recent reviews highlight its clean facilities and the thrill of spotting Buckley Air Force Base jets overhead. In 2025, the park plans community events like outdoor movie nights, a tradition loved by residents. Its mild climate makes it a year-round destination, with spring and fall ideal for walks amid mature trees and blooming flower beds. Just 20 miles from Denver, it's an easy escape for families or solo adventurers. Whether you're chasing water fun or a quiet hike, Great Plains Park delivers. We look forward to welcoming you on board again next time for Fly Over the Map. If you enjoyed the video, please leave us a like or comment.